The State House now, where it was Mental Health Day on the Hill, with advocates meeting to take their message to lawmakers. One issue is a bill that would place work requirements on Medicaid recipients. And Channel 13's Roger Riley has been at the State House. You talk to people who have a vested interest in this.
Yeah, Aaron, today the Iowa chapter of the National Alliance on Mental Illness, or NAMI, came to talk to lawmakers about some of the things that they've got in the hopper there that could impact people dealing with mental illness.
So we have HF 312 is a bill that we're calling the Psychiatric Deterioration Prevention Bill. It is a bill that would lower the threshold so that people who have serious mental illness are able to receive services before the stage of severity where they are a risk to themselves or others.
Now, NAMI met today to go over legislative priorities and practice as people dealing with mental health issues or family or health providers on how they can explain their story to lawmakers. The group is also opposing a bill which would place work requirements on some mental health patients, as that would be looked at as a barrier to treatment. Today on the Hill, a new tool to help parents get treatment for kids in school dealing with mental health issues.
A lot of kids have a lot of mental health issues, and that's affecting attendance. So there's a chronic absenteeism problem in our schools as well, because some kids have high anxiety and won't even get into the building at school. Or when they do get to the building, they kind of shut down and have troubles regulating themselves. So then they're not learning. So for kids to be successful academically and to be able to learn, they need to be healthy and ready to learn.
That classroom clinic is telehealth, where kids get the treatment remotely via screen. It's been around about 6 years and using that telehealth treatment. Some 40 schools across Iowa are participating in this, and sometimes kids just need counseling, and Aaron, sometimes they need to have some meds to help them get feeling better so they can do well in school.
Yeah, so important. All right, thanks so much, Roger.